Welcome to The Next Leap, the podcast where we make sense of the technologies shaping our future. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Ben. It's great to be back.
So, Ben, we've all been amazed by AI recently. I mean, we have chatbots that can draft an email, generate an image, or summarize a dense report in seconds.
Yeah.
But have you ever had that feeling where you wish it could just do the next thing?
Oh, absolutely. It's like, that's a great travel itinerary you wrote.
Right.
But now I have to go to 5 different websites to book everything. You want it to go from suggesting to doing.
Exactly. And that desire, well, it's the perfect entry point for today's topic, Agentic AI.
Okay.
It represents a fundamental leap from the AI we know, moving from a passive assistant to an autonomous actor.
Okay. So let's break that down for everyone. When we say agentic, what are we really talking about? How is this different from, say, the generative AI in tools like ChatGPT?
Yeah. The key word is autonomy. Think of it this way. Generative AI is brilliant but reactive.
Right.
You give it a specific prompt, it gives you a specific output. An AI agent, on the other hand, is proactive. You give it a high-level goal like organize a successful marketing launch for our new product.
Wow.
It independently creates and executes a multi-step plan to achieve it.
So it's like the difference between a junior researcher and a senior project manager.
Exactly.
The researcher finds information for you. The project manager takes the goal, breaks it down, assigns tasks, manages resources, and sees it through to completion.
I'm impressed. That's a perfect analogy. And under the hood, it operates on this continuous loop. First, it perceives its environment, gathering data. Second, it reasons, using a powerful language model as its brain to strategize. Third, and this is the magic, it acts, connecting to other software to send emails, update databases, or buy ads.
Okay.
And finally, it learns from the outcome, constantly improving.
That act step is the revolution. It's connected to the digital world in a way that it allows it to actually execute tasks.
Totally.
I was reading a fascinating McKinsey report that linked this capability directly to solving what they call the Gen AI paradox.
I saw that too. The paradox is that while nearly 80% of companies say they use generative AI,
Right, yep.
an equal number report no significant impact on their bottom line. It's a real head scratcher.
Right, and the report argues it's because most AI use is for small individual productivity gains. Agent AI is the breakthrough because it can automate entire high-value business processes from start to finish. It's not just about helping one person work faster.
No.
It's about making the whole system smarter and more autonomous.
And the real-world examples are already emerging. I mean, the report mentioned a bank that was modernizing its legacy software.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, instead of just using AI as a coding assistant for humans, they created these squads of AI agents. One agent documented the old system, another wrote new code, a third reviewed it, and a fourth ran the tests.
Wow.
And the human developers just became supervisors of this AI team.
And the impact was a 50% reduction in time and effort. That's transformative.
Totally.
But what I found most insightful was this idea that you don't get these results by just plugging an agent into an old human-centric process.
Right.
You have to completely reimagine the process with agents at its core.
It's a total paradigm shift.
Yeah.
And we're seeing all the big players, Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, NVIDIA, building the different layers of this new ecosystem. From the foundational models to the platforms that let businesses build their own agents. So let's talk about the big question. What does this mean for people?
Well, it's less about replacement and more about elevation.
Okay.
You're not the one in the weeds anymore. You're the one guiding your team of highly efficient AI agents and, handling the complex, nuanced exceptions that still require human judgment.
But that creates new challenges, doesn't it?
Oh, for sure.
I mean, if everyone starts building agents, you could end up with what that report called agent sprawl. chaotic, unmanaged mess of bots.
Exactly. That's why the biggest challenge isn't technical. It's about governance and trust.
Right.
How do you ensure these autonomous systems operate safely and align with your goals? It requires a whole new kind of digital infrastructure, an agentic AI mesh that can orchestrate all these agents securely.
It's a truly fascinating moment.
Yeah.
I mean, the technology is evolving from just a clever tool into what you could almost call a new digital workforce.
It is. The era of just experimenting with AI is drawing to a close. The era of fundamentally transforming how we work with it is just beginning.
It's a profound shift in our relationship with technology, and we're living through the very start of it.
Absolutely.
That brings us to a final thought for our audience.
Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Okay.
As this technology matures, the role of a manager will change from overseeing people to orchestrating a hybrid team of humans and AI agents. What new skills do you think will be most critical for a leader in that future?
A fantastic question. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for tuning in to The Next Leap.